Good news, though, it does look like we'll get some sunshine this weekend, Michael. It is off to a soggy start, especially in Palm Beach County, where we still have the rain around into at least the next hour or two across the coastline. And on the Treasure Coast, it's starting to improve. We are looking at a drier weather as we head into tonight, and that rainfall that we see along coastal Palm Beach County will eventually come to an end in the next hour or two. Let's look at the Treasure Coast. You can see the back edge already starting to move south, and we also have the coastal flood advisory. That is not for rainfall, that is for the king tides, which peak this weekend, and so we could see some coastal flooding, the ocean waters over seawalls and low-lying areas Saturday and on Sunday, especially with that big northeast wind that we're going to pick up too. It'll be gusty winds both weekend days. Tonight, though, any rainfall tapering off in the next couple of hours, and then a partial clearing. It won't completely clear out because this front is moving south and will stall over South Florida this weekend. Very close call here. If it was a little farther north, and it may still end up that way, but it looks like it'll be just far enough south that it'll keep the heavier rains down around the Keys and not in our area. We get that northeast wind that'll drag in a few clouds and a few showers, but we will see some sunshine. A little more cloud cover on Sunday as the front lifts a little farther to the north, though. In the tropics, two systems. This one has a 60% chance of developing, and it may actually be the first name storm, Epsilon. And we also have another area in the southern Caribbean that is trying to develop. I think if we get any kind of closed low here, it's going to be Tuesday or Wednesday next week. And the long-range models drag it north across Cuba. The Euro brings it into the Gulf of Mexico, and the GFS takes it into the Bahamas and Florida right in between. So at this point, even though it hasn't developed, it's one to watch. We'll monitor it for you. And if it has any impact on our weather, it would be not this weekend, but the upcoming weekend, so about 8 to 9 days away. Here's the boater's forecast. Seas about 3 to 5. It starts to climb this weekend with that wind northeast all weekend long, and likely we're going to see some cautions and some advisories by later Saturday. 74 tonight, showers still lingering, but tapering off with a clearing sky, and then we're looking at some sunshine, but also some quick moving showers for Saturday coming in along the coastline, and gusty winds and some showers, chance for a thunderstorm on Sunday. Next week, kind of back into a more typical weather pattern for this time of year. So lots of times to get outside this weekend, but there will be a little wet weather around too.